Most entrepreneurs fall into two key categories: dropshipping versus affiliate marketing. If you've been looking for ways to make money online without the stress of manufacturing and shipping your products, then dropshipping and affiliate marketing both are great ways to do this. So, welcome to Upstep Financial. If you want to build a lot of money, then this channel is for you. Before we continue, please take a moment, go down and smash the like button, and subscribe to connect with us. The beauty of these business models is that they are ideal for advanced wanderers. You can keep your business flourishing wherever you are in the world. All you need is a laptop and a good Wi-Fi connection, and you're set to go. But first, you should know what dropshipping is. As a business model, dropshipping permits anybody to sell items from suppliers on their site. There's no need to carry any stock at all. When somebody buys an item from the dropshipper's site, they place an order with the supplier. The supplier then packages and ships the item to the client. Dropshipping is a great business model for a first-time e-commerce entrepreneur or people who want to test categories of products on their audience. Now, what's affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a way for you to make money online by suggesting items or services from other businesses to your pursuers or audience. Did you know that 93% of customers read online reviews before making a purchase? That is huge. By recommending and reviewing products to your audience, you can take a cut of the profit. The process is straightforward. If someone purchases after clicking through your affiliate link, you will receive a percentage of the sale as an affiliate commission. Let's discuss the main difference between affiliate marketing and dropshipping. With dropshipping, you sell a product from your website, but with affiliate marketing, the customer is taken to another e-commerce website via your affiliate link. With dropshipping, you will need to handle customer service yourself, but the website selling the product will address any customer service issues with affiliate marketing. Dropshipping may empower you to have higher benefit edges as you set your possession prices. Still, you have no control over the cost or the commission rate as an affiliate marketer. With dropshipping, you'll receive payment as soon as the transaction is completed, but you'll have to hold up to 1 to 3 months to get your commission with affiliate marketing. While dropshipping versus affiliate marketing has many contrasts, they also have quite a few similarities. Both permit you to begin a business without requiring inventory or shipping products. Both are relatively low-risk business models. Both have high earning potential rates. Both are easy to start working on immediately. Both require similar skill sets, such as creating ads, driving traffic to a landing page, and other marketing skills. Both businesses have low startup costs. Now, let's look at the pros and cons of both one by one. Dropshipping pros. Dropshipping is a low-risk business model. When comparing dropshipping versus affiliate marketing, dropshipping tends to be less unsafe in different ways. However, with dropshipping, the chance is even lower as your funds become available each week. For example, if you're an Amazon affiliate outside of the US, you can only be paid by gift card or check. However, to get the check, you must have made at least $100. However, not everybody succeeds at making $100 when the rates are low. With dropshipping, you get paid what you made. Dropshipping allows you to have high margins. With dropshipping, you can buy a product that costs $1 and sell it for $19, which allows you to keep a substantial portion of the profit after marketing costs have been subtracted. With dropshipping, you'll likely be better off financially as a dropshipper. You're building an asset. When you dropship goods, you are building an asset, your brand. With dropshipping, you will have your professional website. You will make enough money to invest in advertising, content, other traffic, and money-generating techniques. If you decide you want to move on to another niche a year from now, you can sell your business to someone else. You have multiple chances to lure in a customer. When dropshipping items, you can effortlessly retarget your audience to help change over the deal. With affiliate marketing, since you're sending the traffic to another site, you have no control over retargeting. With dropshipping, the traffic comes to your site. Also, you've got control over the optimization of your landing pages, item copy, site plan, and more. The checkout will also coordinate your website's branding. As you have more control, you have better odds of pulling in a client and changing over them. We are done with pros. Now it's time to open up dropshipping cons. Yes, it's a dark cycle. Oh no, you need to manage customer support. The main downside to dropshipping is that as the store owner, you are responsible for customer support. Fortunately, you can easily outsource customer support to someone specializing in it on Upwork.com for an affordable price. All you need to do is give guidelines and general responses for the customer support representative to follow. By outsourcing this component, you free your time up to focus on promoting and optimization. It permits you to develop your business quicker. Friends, I hope this video guides you. Then don't forget to subscribe to Upstep Financial to stay in the loop with our unique videos. And if we missed something important so far, do comment down below. Now, keep watching. Now we're going to explore the affiliate marketing business pros. It's good. No cost for being an affiliate. When running an affiliate marketing business, the costs are generally low. There's ordinarily no expense for the affiliate to pay, as the shipper usually covers regulatory expenses on affiliate networks like ClickBank or Amazon Associates. The only costs that an associate regularly pays for are their site and server, which keep prices low. However, as an affiliate marketer, you are required to pay for the marketing costs, as you are the individual driving traffic to the merchant's website. Yet, because it could be a business cost, you'll likely be able to compose it off during tax season. Excellent source of passive income. An affiliate marketing trade is a fantastic source of passive income. There is a bit of upfront work to figure out your advertisements or deliver content to convert the deal. However, once that's done, you'll have ads running in the background, whereas making money. You do not have to stress about creating an item. You do not need to stress about shipping an item. All you need to do is make sure that you're sending exceedingly targeted traffic to the merchant's landing page to drive transformations. Now, let's jump to the affiliate marketing business cons. A big no? You only make a percentage of every sale. When comparing dropshipping versus affiliate marketing, the most significant disadvantage of affiliate marketing is that you're paid on commission. You might have just spent hundreds of dollars on ads only to make $50 back in commission fees. The payout for affiliate commissions is generally a lot lower than dropshipping. Indeed, if your commissions are a few $100s, chances are the cost of the item is higher. It implies finding the right individuals will cost more as well. Also, you don't have the opportunity to set the cost. For example, if individuals are curious about the item but feel the price is too high, you can't lower it to meet the request of your audience. In addition, since you can't set the cost of your profit, you'll likely make a lot less than in the case you were the dealer. Payments may be delayed. Within the battle between dropshipping versus affiliate marketing, an affiliate marketing business may have difficulty overseeing funds. That's since a few vendors may be untrustworthy with their payment deposits. Many unique affiliate programs make payments on time. However, in some cases, one of the companies you've chosen to be in affiliate marketing for business doesn't pay on time. Sometimes dealers are in the handle of closing down or pronouncing liquidation. Dealers do not need to indicate this, while an affiliate is challenging to make their commissions. If a merchant reports insolvency, the affiliate marketing business loses any money owed to them. It includes the money spent on ads and their affiliate commission on sales made. Oops, people can easily remove the affiliate link. Sometimes, if you don't utilize a link shortener, individuals can drift over the link and see an affiliate link. As a result, they may accept that it costs more to purchase through the link. Most individuals don't get it. They only get a commission on a sale. In this way, individuals may select to manually go to the site you're suggesting directly without clicking your affiliate link. Since they didn't tap on the link, the vendor gets to make an 100% benefit, thus making your promoting endeavors less effective. Many individuals are doubtful or dislike affiliate marketers. They feel like they're being scammed, even when the truth is they're not. It can be hard to convince people to believe you and click your link. In a few countries, you need to disclose to your audience that the links that you're giving are affiliate links. In this way, they make it even more straightforward for an individual to dodge clicking the genuine link. No control over products and pricing. With affiliate marketing, you have no control over the item you're promoting. You cannot control the look, depiction, pricing, or the after-sale benefit of the thing. That does not suit everybody. It can constrain what you can do as an affiliate marketer from an advertising point of view. You may not be able to mention specific highlights due to your terms and conditions. If you do not get the item, you'll depend on photos. These may be obsolete or of low quality, making it challenging to promote the thing successfully. Now hold on. Guys, it's time to decide. Which is better, dropshipping versus affiliate marketing? It is precarious to say which is better because it depends on your situation and what you need from your online business. For many individuals, affiliate marketing is a favored choice, aside from creating content and SEO. You can get begun in affiliate marketing without even having a website, which makes it a fabulous alternative for anybody with a vast social media following, as well as YouTubers who need to include another income stream to their business. Dropshipping needs a different strategy that suits some people better. There's a little more work involved, mainly with customer service, but as you have seen, there are plenty of benefits too. But the main thing is, which is more profitable? Overall, Dropshipping is ordinarily the more beneficial business model. With dropshipping, you can set your claim costs and choose your benefit edges. It can be much higher than the percentage of sale that you would get from affiliate marketing. With high-ticket dropshipping, you can anticipate making pretty good cash in your first few months, as long as you're focusing on the correct keywords. So, in general, if it's high benefits you're after, dropshipping is the way to go.
So guys, now it's up to you which one you will pick. I think you are action takers. If yes, please subscribe to our channel with tons of updated videos we are uploading here on Upstep Financial to help you make money. Thanks for listening to us.